Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel where we are excited to embark on a magical journey of turning a small neglected balcony into a dreamy outdoor oasis. Today we are diving into the art of balcony makeovers and transforming this cozy space into a heaven of relaxation, beauty and enchantment. Whether you are living in an apartment or a small house, this makeover will inspire you to make the most of your outdoor area and create a stunning retreat just steps away from your living room. So let's get started on this delightful small balcony makeover. The first step in any full makeover is to assess the space and plan accordingly. Our small balcony may seem limited, but with some creativity and thoughtful design, it can be transformed into an inviting outdoor escape. We will take measurements, consider the existing layout, and envision of our dream balcony. A dreamy makeover needs a dreamy theme. We will pick a theme that resonates with our personal style and preferences. Whether it's a cozy bohemian retreat, a tropical paradise, or a modern oasis, the theme will set the tone for the entire makeover and guide our design decisions. Since space is limited, choosing the right furniture is very crucial. We will opt for compact and multifunctional pieces that maximize the available space. A small bistro table with comfortable chairs, a compact love seat, or a hanging swing chair will be great option to consider depending on our chosen theme. Now come the exciting part, decorating. We will sprinkle enchanting decor and accessories to elevate the balcony's ambience. Outdoor rugs, throw pillows with dreamy patterns, and fairy lights will add a touch of magic. Incorporate potted plants and hanging baskets will infuse nature's beauty into the space. To add a personal touch and save on costs, we will dive into some fun DIY projects, creating custom planters, crafting macrame plant hangers, and or painting decorative pots can be a rewarding way to enhance the balcony's charm. This unique creation will truly make the space feel like our own. Balconies often have hard surfaces, but we will soften them up with lush greenery and cozy textiles. Hanging curtains or bamboo blinds can provide privacy while adding elegance. Climbing plants and vines can be trained along railings and walls, transforming the space into a green heaven. In our dreamy balcony makeover, we will carve out a special relaxing corner, placing a cozy outdoor rug, a cushioned lounge chair, and a side table for a cup of tea or a book. Will turn this nook into the ultimate retreat for unwinding after a long day. Water features even in small form like tabletop fountains or hanging planters with trickling water can add a soothing element to the balcony. The sound of water will create a tranquil atmosphere, enhancing the dreamy vibe. Voila! Our dreamy small balcony makeover is complete, and the transformation is truly mesmerizing. This once neglected space has now become a magical heaven where we can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and connect with nature in comfort of our own home. With little creativity, planning, and some DIY magic, we can create a balcony into an enchanting outdoor oasis. We hope this makeover has inspired you to embark your own balcony transformation journey. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more home and garden inspirations. Until the next time, happy decorating.